ladies and gentlemen, our third placer is coming from Cluster. Yes, no other than Cluster 6.
Cluster 6 is Tuburan, Pinacio, Antonino, and Poblacion Bajo. Thank you so much, Cluster 6.
Yes, our Cluster 6 is coordinated by Mr. Ayun Kaay and Miss Och Jimenez Santillán.
Deserve sa third spot, guys. Very active kayo. Ang ang mga athletes coming from Cluster 6.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, for our second placer is coming from Cluster